Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable Netflix notifications on your mobile device. Now let's begin. Do make sure that you already have the Netflix application installed on your mobile device. If you do not know how to, we have created a video regarding that issue. Now let's begin. Right here is the Netflix application. I'm simply gonna click on it. And do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not logged in, do log in right now. Now right here, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. If you scroll down, you can see lots of movies and series available right here. But we simply want to turn off the notifications. So let's begin. At the very bottom, you'll find your user profile right here. Simply click on it. And from here, something like this will open up. Once again, what you need to do in this page is go to the top right section and click on those three lines right here. Now something like this will pop up. What you need to do is click on this app settings right here. Now in this page right here, under the notifications tab, here's something like allow notifications. Simply toggle off this button right here. Now something like this will again open up. It's the mobile notification settings. Simply turn it off. Now let's go back. And there you have it guys. That's how you disable Netflix notifications on your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.